India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Mumbai, the country's financial capital, and he launched development projects. He also laid the foundation stone of other projects worth around $3.5 billion collectively in the presence of the state chief minister Eknath Shinde and key members of the Maharashtra government. The projects include the Thane-Borivali Twin Tunnel project, also the Indian Newspaper Society Towers in Mumbai. Here's more.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Mumbai in the Indian state of Maharashtra to launch multiple projects. At Goregaon in Mumbai, Prime Minister launched dedicated to the nation and laid the foundation stone for multiple projects related to the roads, railways and ports sector worth more than $3.52 billion.
मुंबई मेट्रो के विस्तार का काम भी तेज गति से चल रहा है। 10 वर्ष पहले मुंबई में सिर्फ 8 किलोमीटर ही मेट्रो लाइन थी। 10 साल पहले सिर्फ 8 किलोमीटर, जबकि आज ये करीब करीब 80 किलोमीटर पहुंच चुकी है। इतना ही नहीं, मुंबई में अभी लगभग 200 किलोमीटर मेट्रो नेटवर्क पर काम चल रहा है।
Prime Minister laid the foundation stone for Thane-Borivali Tunnel project worth $1.98 billion. The twin-tube tunnel between Thane and Borivali alignment will reduce the journey from Thane to Borivali by 12 kilometers with a saving of about 1 hour in travel time. Total length of the project is 11.8 kilometers. Prime Minister also laid the foundation stone for Kalyan Yard remodeling and Gati Shakti multimodal cargo terminal in Navi Mumbai. Prime Minister dedicated to the nation the new platforms at Lokmanya Tilak Terminus, an extension of platform number 10 and 11 at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus Station. Besides, Prime Minister also launched the Mukhyamantri Yuva Karya Prashikshan Yojana with an outlay of around $670 million. Prime Minister also visited the Indian Newspaper Society Secretariat at Bandra Kurla complex to inaugurate the INS Towers.
आप जानते हैं कि विदेशों में राष्ट्र की छवि का प्रभाव सीधे उसकी इकोनॉमी और ग्रोथ पर पड़ता है। आज आप देखिए, विदेशों में भारतीय मूल के लोगों का कद बढ़ा है, विश्वसनीयता बढ़ी है, सम्मान बढ़ा है, क्योंकि विश्व में भारत की साख बढ़ी है। भारत भी वैश्विक प्रगति में कहीं ज्यादा योगदान दे पा रहा है। हमारा मीडिया इस दृष्टिकोण से जितना काम करेगा, देश को उतना ही फायदा होगा।
The new building will fulfill the evolving needs of members of INS for a modern and efficient office space in Mumbai, which would serve as the nerve center for the newspaper industry in Mumbai. Bureau Report, DD India.
And India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday inaugurated the INS Towers at the INS Secretariat in the Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai. This new facility will meet the evolving needs of INS members, providing a modern and efficient office space for Mumbai's newspaper industry. The president of the association or the society, Rakesh Sharma, while speaking to DD India, said that the Prime Minister has emphasized that the media has a great role to play in the Viksit Bharat program. And he has also spoken on the suggestions that were given by the Prime Minister at this gathering.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Mumbai and he inaugurated, dedicated and laid foundation stone of several development projects, and he also inaugurated the new building of the Indian Newspaper Society. To talk more on that, we have Rakesh Sharma, the president of INS. Let's talk to him. Sir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was here and he has given a lot of suggestions as well, a lot of confidence as well to the media sector. How would you translate his speech?
Well, this was one of the wonderful speeches which he has given, and the advice which he has passed on to the media industry, where all the media veterans were present, the leaders of the media were present. He particularly used the terminology that during this Amrit Kal Khand, media has got a great role to play for the developed India, for Viksit Bharat.
The next 25 years is going to be crucial because India by 2047 is going to be Viksit Bharat, or before that we are hoping. Media has a very strong role to play, and even the Prime Minister highlighted that today of the various suggestions that he's given about tourism, about the usage of UN language for promoting India. What has really been, what has caught your eye, and how do we move forward in that direction?
I were caught up only with the thing that he's a progressive man, he's a thinking man. He always comes up with the unarticulated suggestions which people don't even think. But once you implement them, then you get the fruits of that. He has achieved a lot, but during his election speeches, he was only saying this was a trailer. The film is yet to start. So the entire 140 crore people of the India wants to see the developed India, Vishwaguru India, #1 economy of the India. So he is envisaging that India should be third largest economy by 2027. So all this media will have to echo his feelings, his sentiments to the masses of this country so that they partner. He also said that the entire country has to partner with. The government can only think, the government can ideas le aa sakti, but unless it becomes a people's movement, and in which the role of the media is very, very important.
So that was the president of INS talking all about the roles and responsibilities of media and how media can be a bigger partner in the Viksit Bharat journey. With camera person Gaurav Kagra, this is Shama Mishra for DD India, Mumbai.